Hey everybody, I just got my order from Spoonflower. So I'm opening it and I sent one of my surface designs to get it printed because I wanted to make something for Christmas for a family member. So had a card inside, says wash, and instructions inside. It's got the little bundle wrapped, and then I can take the sticker off of it and see how it turned out. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so I got a swatch. So here's the sample swatch on their petal signature cotton. And then I also did, because I was super excited to see, they offer a swatch in their fleece. So this is, it's not overly thick. Like I've gone to Joann's and you can get a thicker, but it feels good. See, side. So it's thicker, and but yeah, this feels really nice. I could definitely but it is gonna be white on the other side, so I'm used to fleece, like the color goes all the way through, so that's different. I don't know how I feel about that. Like, I don't know that I would ever get anything in the fleece then. Okay, and then I got 2 yards of the fabric. I do really like how the colors printed on this. This is really nice and very pink. So you can see where this is probably the sides where the printer held onto it. And it's folded really nicely. Wow. Anyways, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like this. This turned out great. This is going to be made into a pillow, and then I'm also making a stuffed animal for that special someone that they are getting a gift. So yeah, this turned out great. I'm overall, yeah, happy with it. Yeah, so you get a lot of extra on the edge here. You see, it's neat. It says who designed it, job number, order number, neatly folded. So I will wash my fabric first before I actually use it. But anyways, you can see in the light here, like if I put it side by side, there is a slight color difference on the fleece. Like it almost reads a little bit more purple on the fleece, but a lot more vibrant pink when on the cotton. But yeah, I'm super excited. These look great. So I'll be able to make my gifts. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that and my order from Spoonflower. So I'm hoping to do more uploads with my fabrics and things like that, and that I've designed from my own surface designs, and basically share that process with you. I heard online there's a way to do your swatches, but do them like in a full yard, so it kind of saves money. So yeah, but stay tuned for that later on. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.